Okay, so in this video, I'll share with you how to get this search button here, right? So let's take a look here, see that if you have a lot of pages, how do you actually create that? How do you create that search feature here? So like this here, right? I can search for the product that I want to, and I'll check on it, and you can see that here. So uh, to activate that, or you want to remove the search feature, you can go to this dot ellipse here, click here and click here one time, and you see that the search box is gone. But if you want it back, just click on this again, click on this search, and you can search, right? Very simple. Now the other things that what is this filters about, right? And they're very similar to slicer. And let's say I have the product and I drag it to filters on the page. Now the moment I have a slicer, and it's okay, let me just I check everything. So I got 6 product. Now as soon as I search, as I choose one of the product here, now it basically does not change, does not show anymore. So let's look at here, right? And I have another thing called Sync Slicer. Okay, slicer. Okay, as the moment I'm in main, and I can just uncheck it. Oh, okay. This is a very cool feature also, right? So now what happens is that the filters here, once I select the item, it applies to this page. So now the slicer has no longer has the ability to filter the particular others product. It only specific select for VTT. See here. So I'll click on this here. So, okay, that's it. That's how you search a product. And if you don't need the item, just cross subject. We have this back. You can uh, click on this feature here, choose the drop down. You can choose the item you want to choose. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. One thing a day you can achieve.